My name's Frank Acapinti. I came into Dr. DeFabio's office approximately 6 months, maybe a little more than that ago, dealing with plantar fasciitis in both feet. Extreme case of that, where it was affecting my everyday life, at work, at home, sleep.
How'd you hear about this place?
YouTube, I think. Yeah, it was YouTube, just searching, looking around on YouTube for stretches and home remedies you could do to try to treat this, and Dr. DeFabio popped up. So I Googled him and realized he was in New Jersey, and it was convenient enough for me to go see him, and yeah, it's been great. I've been coming regularly, and the difference from when I started to where we are today is night and day, 100%. It was at the point where it just hurt being on my feet, where now I'm able to run 4 miles. Just coming in the beginning 2 or 3 times a week for the first few weeks, and then twice a week, down to once a week, down to every 2 weeks, or even a little more than that, in between, and everything feels really good. Well, the expectation was hopefully to be able to recover from this without a surgical type of procedure. It took time and consistency. It worked. If you're in pain, or you have an injury, I wouldn't hesitate. And if you could see Dr. DeFabio, he's the guy to see. They do a great job here.